Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 error code 0x12c. The game has crashed. So if you're getting this error, the game has crashed, error code 0x12c in Forza Horizon 6 game, then here follow the steps very carefully. To fix this issue, you have to enable the AES-NI in system BIOS. So go to your system BIOS, turn off your PC completely, then turn it back on and immediately begin tapping or spamming the BIOS key on your keyboard. The correct key depends on your motherboard or PC manufacturer. So if you have HP PC, then press F10 or escape button. If you have Dell laptop or PC, then press F2 or F12. If you have Lenovo, then press F2 or Fn plus F2. If you have ASUS, then press F2 or delete. If you have Acer laptop, press F2 or delete. And if you have MSI PC, then simply tap on delete. So you have to immediately begin tapping the correct BIOS key on your keyboard. And once your PC or laptop enter system BIOS, then go to the advanced option and then look for Intel AES-NI. So look for this Intel AES-NI, and if it is disabled, then you have to enable it. And after enabling it, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And this will fix the error. The game has crashed. Error code is 0x12c in Forza Horizon 6 game. But if still your error is not fixed, then here follow other fixes mentioned in this video. So you can watch my other video in YouTube. I will provide this link in my video description as well as in pinned comment. So follow other fixes mentioned in this video and solve the problem. So I hope by following this fix you can easily solve the game has crashed. Error code 0x12c in Forza Horizon 6 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.